Go to the longer playlist. We do not have time here. Okay, tile boy. Whole bunch of motherfucking variables declared right down here. So when we're inside of a non-void room, we need to figure out the origin of the pixel encoding the tile that our array has hit when we cast an array into the scene. Okay, so right here, all these variables, I don't have time to fucking explain these. Pause the screen, fucking read it, okay? Right down here, we need to localize HLX, HLY, so we're going to chop off this anti-remainder, which is the cell that we're on, the level cell, which is 64 by 64 tiles, and now we have the room pebble XY coordinates. So this is the tile when tile size exponent is 0. It's our tile size coordinate when tile size exponent is 0. We need to get the backing data cell for the current level we're in. So we're going to take the G25, which is a one-dimensional representation of R5X, R5Y, and we're going to get R4X, R4Y. So this is on the data layout, not the render layout. So this is on the render layout. This is on the data layout right here. These are just so that we can connect to the diagrams a little bit easier. And we need to globalize our pixel origin. So we need to take the origin of the hotel and add the local origin of the room, and now we have our room data origin X and Y. So this is global to Pix 2048. We have a shorthand reference to Pix 2048 right here. Hit tile starts out at 0, and we're going to raycast from the smallest tile all the way into the back of the scene to the largest tile. This is the size of the tile in pebbles for tile size exponent 0. This would be 1, and so RPX, RPY for the first iteration will remain unchanged. This is a generic tile X, tile Y variable. This is the diagonal offset to the data, and we use this to get the lateral offset to the data right here. Okay, so we need to globalize, get a global position to the pixel backing our tile X, tile Y. So this is local, so we need to add the room data origin X and Y, add the lateral offset LMX, LMY, and we're actually motherfucking missing the diagonal offset. So there's a bug in here. We'll just fix that in the next video, because now I see that the diagonal offset is not accounted for. So right here, we are going to get the index of our pixel as a one-dimensional coordinate, get the byte address, and then we're going to pack RGBA bytes together into a 32-bit pixel. We're going to do our hit test with that pixel, and if it returns true that it exists, we're going to break out of here, because now we have our U32 hit tile. We'll fix the bug in the next video. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I am Kanji Coder.